How do you secure the public endpoint of your service bus namespace without configuring IP rules on every resource individually? In this video, we look at network security perimeter for Azure Service Bus, now generally available. Today, each Azure PaaS resource manages its own network rules. IP firewall rules, VNet service endpoints, private endpoints, each configured separately. When your service bus namespace depends on Key Vault for customer-managed keys or connects to other Azure services, you end up managing those rules independently on every resource. No unified view of your security boundary and repeated configuration across each one. Network security perimeter takes a different approach. Instead of configuring rules on each resource, we create a logical boundary and associate our PaaS resources with it. Resources inside the perimeter communicate with each other by default. All public access from outside is denied. We then define explicit inbound and outbound access rules for any traffic that needs to cross the boundary. NSP also provides diagnostic logs that record every allowed or denied connection, supporting audit and compliance. This is complementary to private endpoints. Private endpoints secure traffic between a virtual network and service bus. Network security perimeter secures the public endpoint itself. Used together, they provide defense in depth. For Service Bus, the primary scenario today is customer-managed keys. Place the Service Bus namespace and the Key Vault in the same perimeter, and they communicate securely without additional network configuration. We recommend starting in transition mode, which logs access attempts without enforcing restrictions. Once the access rules are right, switch to enforced mode. To learn more about network security perimeter and other service bus security capabilities, visit aka.ms/servicebus. We've linked the NSP documentation and the network security overview in the description below. Thanks for watching.